Hi, good morning. Today let us discuss on induction motor. So in induction motor we have two parts. One is stator and another one is rotor. Rotor is a rotating part and stator is a stationary part. So when we feed the three-phase supply to the induction motor, this induction motor is going to produce an RMF. The supply is given to the stator. So the stator will produce an RMF, rotating magnetic field. So when rotating magnetic field is produced by the stator and rotor will be present. So you all know that induction motor works on the principle of mutual induction. So induction motor is also called as rotating transformer. When the rotor is short circuited, it is acts as a transformer secondary short circuit. And one more thing I want to say today, the main topic is if the rotor speed is greater than the stator RMF, then the then the machine acts as an induction generator. Next, if the rotor speed is less than the your RMF, rotating magnetic field speed, then the motor acts as an induction motor. Okay, the machine acts as an induction motor. Okay. One more thing, if both the speeds, if there is no relative speed between the stator and magnetic field and the rotor, then the machine is said to be in standstill condition. Okay, the machine is said to be in standstill condition. And you all know that I had discussed right now about the induction generator. So we have two types of generators. One is induction generator and another one is synchronous generator, or synchronous generator is also called as your synchronous generator is also called as your alternate. So we have discussed in the past class. So here, what is the difference between the synchronous generator and an induction generator? So synchronous generator is a constant speed generator. The input is constant, where the induction generator, the variable input is given to generate. So for example, synchronous generators are used in thermal power stations, diesel power stations, gas power stations. We will use the synchronous generators. So when it comes to induction generators are used in wind power plants and tidal energy power plants, where the variable things are there. Such a places we use the thing called induction generator. So in induction generator, right now I have said that the rotor speed is greater than your stator RMS speed. But when it comes to synchronous machine, the speed is constant. The rotor speed is, so it is a double excited machine, synchronous machine. You have to give two inputs. One is rotor DC supply for producing of magnetic field and also mechanical energy. When it comes to here, you no need because there is an initially the magnetization will be present. You all know that residual magnetization. So even one more thing I want to say, that is induction motor characteristics is similar to DC shunt motor characteristics. That is drooping characteristics are there for induction motors. Okay, and there are a lot of things to discuss about the induction motor and synchronous motors. And one more thing I want to say, that this synchronous motor is a constant speed motor, therefore the frequency is going to be the constant. And when it comes to induction generator there is a variable frequency is there. So to make the constant frequency, because our India is, yesterday we have discussed that frequency is 1% variation, that is 49.5 Hz to 50.5 Hz. So in the if the frequency mismatches is there, then the interconnection is going to be loosened. So to make the interconnected to the grid, synchronous motors are best things. And if you comes to induction motor, you can make them to have the constant frequency by using AC to DC and DC to AC converters. The converters is needed to place there. So the cost of the converters and the things is going to be increased. So mostly we prefer the alternating current generators, that is also alternating current alternator is main preferred than the induction generator. A small topic I has discussed right now, and for more topics you have to subscribe. Viewers has to increase, then itself the real classes of electrical will going to be started. This totally depends upon you who are interested, and I will be there for doing. You make the subscribers more, and I will giving the much knowledge to you as my best. Okay, thank you. I am signing out. Bye.